Good afternoon, students. Myself, Phopase SE from Department of Chemistry, RBNB College, Sri Rampur. Today, we are going to perform next practical, identification of functional group. First of all, what is meant by functional group? Organic chemistry is the study of hydrocarbons and its derivative. Organic compounds are classified on the basis of different functional group. For example, carboxylic acid, alcohol, phenol, ketone, etc. Then what is meant by functional group? An atom or group of atoms bonded together in unique manner so as to form compound and represent its properties is called functional group. This practical will be asked in practical exam for 2 marks. Only it should be noted that only one compound will be given for identification of only one functional group in practical examination. Aim of this practical is to determine functional group of the given organic compound. Apparatus required for this practical: test tube holder, test tube stand, beaker, etc. First of all, compound number first. We have to detect functional group of compound number first by using different tests. First test for carboxylic acid group. Test is substance plus sodium bicarbonate solution. If substance is soluble with brisk efflorescence of CO2 gas, then carboxylic group is present. If there is no brisk efflorescence of CO2 gas, then carboxyl group is absent. Then second test for phenolic group. Test for phenolic group is substance plus alcohol plus neutral FeCl3 solution, that is ferric chloride. If there is violet or green or blue or red coloration, any one above coloration is there, then phenolic group is present. If there is no violet, green or blue coloration, then phenolic group is absent. Then third test for ketonic group. Substance plus few drops of sodium hydroxide plus sodium nitroprusside solution. If there is a red blood coloration, then ketonic group is present. If red blood coloration is absent, then ketonic group is absent. Next test for amino group. Substance plus concentrated HCl in test tube first. That solution cool under tap water. Then add Na-Na2 solution. Then in test tube second, take beta-naphthol in NaOH. Add above solution in test tube second. If there is orange dye stuff is appear, then amino group is present. If orange red dye stuff is absent, then amino group is absent. In this way, all such tests indicate which functional group is present in that compound. We have to detect functional group of these 4 compound. Compound first, compound second, compound third, and compound 4. For this, first we will start compound number first. What is the test? Test tube. Test is substance plus sodium bicarbonate solution. Compound first, small amount of compound first. Take in a clean dry test tube. Then add sodium bicarbonate solution. Before adding sodium bicarbonate solution, test tube holder is attached to test tube. Sodium bicarbonate solution. Add. Before adding sodium bicarbonate solution, what is the observation? Substance is soluble with brisk effervescence of CO2, then carboxylic group is present. If there is no effervescence of CO2 gas, carboxylic group is absent. Then now we add sodium bicarbonate solution in this substance. Observe carefully. Brisk effervescence of CO2 is observed. Therefore, functional group of this organic compound is carboxylic acid. Then there is no necessary to take a next test for this compound. Then write result of this compound. Substance plus NaCO3 solution, brisk effervescence of CO2. Therefore, carboxylic group is present. What is the functional group of carboxylic acid? Carboxylic acid present. Then result. Functional group of compound first is carboxylic acid. What is the structure? C double bond O, OH. Then we have to detect functional group of compound second. For compound second, again test for carboxylic acid is conducted. Substance plus 10% sodium bicarbonate solution in a clean and dry test tube. Take second compound in small amount. Then add sodium bicarbonate solution. Observation is brisk effervescence of CO2. there is no brisk effervescence of CO2. Therefore, for compound second, carboxylic group is absent. No effervescence of CO2. Therefore, carboxylic acid group is absent. Then, for compound second, carboxylic group is absent. Therefore, take next test for phenol. Test for phenol is substance plus alcohol plus neutral FeCl3 solution. If there is violet, green or red color is appear, then and then only phenolic group is present. Again, clean and dry test tube. Take small amount of compound second. Then add little alcohol. Test tube holder, then shake the test tube. What is the observation? Compound second is soluble in alcohol. Then add neutral FeCl3 solution. Then green color is observed. Therefore, phenolic OH group is present in compound second. Green color. Green coloration. Therefore, phenolic group is present. Then write result of compound second. There is no need to take next test because functional group is phenolic OH group. Our compound contain only one functional group. Given organic compound is phenolic its structure is or AROH. Then next, compound third. For compound third, we have to perform all tests from carboxylic acid, phenolic, ketonic. First test is substance plus sodium bicarbonate for carboxylic acid. Again, take clean and dry test tube with test tube holder. Our third organic compound is liquid state. Take 1 to 2 ml compound third. Then add, our first test is test for carboxylic acid, 10% sodium bicarbonate. If there is brisk effervescence of CO2, then carboxylic group is present. No brisk effervescence of CO2, therefore carboxylic acid group is absent. Now write observation. No effervescence of CO2. Carboxylic acid group is absent. Then next test for phenolic. Take small amount 1 to 2 ml compound third in test tube. Then add alcohol, shake the test tube, then add neutral FeCl3 solution. If there is green, blue or violet color, then and then only phenolic group is present. No green, no violet color is observed, therefore phenolic group is absent. No green or violet color. Phenolic group is absent. Then third test for ketonic group, substance plus few drops of NaOH. Take clean and dry test tube with test tube holder. Then add compound third 1 to 2 ml. Add few drops of NaOH. Shake the test tube. Then add sodium nitroprusside solution. Sodium nitroprusside. If there is blood red coloration is appear, then ketonic group is present. Only 1 to 2 drops of sodium nitroprusside. Blood red coloration is appear, therefore functional group of third organic compound is ketonic. Now observation, blood red coloration, therefore ketonic group is present. Now result, functional group of given organic compound is ketone, ketonic functional group. Its structure is then fourth organic compound, it is also liquid. For this compound we have to take all tests. Carboxylic, it may be carboxylic acid, it may be phenol, or it may be ketone, or it may be amino group. Therefore perform all the tests. First test is test for carboxylic acid. Then take clean a test tube with test tube holder. Then add small amount of compound number 4, for which functional group is to detected. Then add 10% sodium bicarbonate. If there is brisk effervescence of CO2, then carboxylic group is present. It is observed that there is no brisk effervescence of CO2, therefore carboxylic group is absent. Carboxylic group is absent. Then next test for phenolic group. Take test tube with test tube holder. Add 1 to 2 drops of compound 4. Add alcohol. Shake the test tube. Then add neutral FeCl3 solution. If there is green, violet or blue color, absence of blue, green, violet or blue color, phenolic group is absent. No green or violet color, phenolic group is absent. Now third test for the same compound. Again take test tube with test tube holder. Take 1 to 2 drops of compound 4. Add few drops of NaOH. Shake the test tube. Then add sodium nitroprusside. No blood red color is observed, therefore ketonic group is absent. No blood red color. Ketonic group is absent. Then next test for amino group. Then again take test tube with test tube holder, add compound number 4 in a first test tube. Then add concentrated HCl in a test tube first. Then cool test tube first under tap water in beaker. Cool for 1 to 2 minutes. Solution is cooled. Then in second test tube, take beta naphthol in NaOH, in first test tube substance plus concentrated HCl, cool under tap water. I have already cooled this test tube. Then add small amount of NaNO2 solution, that is sodium nitrite. Then take second test tube. Second test tube with the test tube holder, take beta naphthol in NaOH, beta naphthol in NaOH, add cold solution. This is our test tube first, in which substance plus concentrated HCl is taken, add plus sodium nitrite and then cooled under tap water. In test tube second, beta naphthol in NaOH. Then add cold solution in test tube second. If there is orange dye stuff is appear, orange dye stuff is appear, therefore functional group of compound 4th is amino group. Amino group is present. Then write result of compound 4. Result functional group of compound 4 is amino group. its structure is NH2. In this way, compound first, functional group of compound first is, this compound first is carboxylic acid. Functional group of this organic compound, that is compound second, is phenolic OH group. Then for compound third, functional group of this compound third is ketonic group. And compound 4, functional group of compound 4 is amino group.